Do you struggle blow drying a short bob without graduation? This tutorial is made just for you. We start with zoning a horseshoe section around the parietal ridge. I recommend using a flat brush, Denman, or a finishing brush. We start with elevating our client's head to the side. This will help to prevent graduation in our line, creating a perfect, seamless, head-hugging shape. You'll notice that I'm using the airflow to push the roots down, and I'm using my brush to smooth the hair out and to bevel the ends under. Once the section is dry, I repeat the process over the ends to bevel. If you'd like to learn how to cut this haircut, the link's in the card above or in the bio below. I repeat the same process on the opposite side. If you don't use Denmans or flat brushes, this is an example of how to use your round brush to achieve the same result. In the back zone, we have the shortest lengths in the haircut. You'll notice that I'm using my brush and airflow to work the hair from side to side. I now take diagonal back sections using my brush to elevate and blow dry down on an angle. This will help to collapse the shape, creating a perfect line with the end result. We repeat this process on both sides. You will notice that I've swapped my hairdryer and brush to the opposite hand. This will help me to work with symmetry around the head shape. Once this zone is dry, I use my Denman to create a bevel in the ends, slightly creating a bend so it tucks under, creating a perfect line. It's important not to stress and overthink of blow drying the shorter lengths. When you do this, you create body, which then creates graduation. It's best to work this hair from side to side and collapse it to fall into natural shape without using the brush. In the crown zone, I'm going to continue the same process, using the airflow of my blow dryer and my brush to direct the hair from side to side, smoothing out this zone so it hugs around the head shape, falling into natural fall. I continue with the flat wrap technique, blow drying the hair backwards and forwards and from side to side. This helps to blow dry and collapse the root area before focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends. I now direct the client's head forward and continue to flat wrap the mid-lengths and the ends, smoothing the hair out, working over and around the head shape. Directing the hair this direction will help to create a more modern, sleek, one-length bob haircut blow dry. To put a subtle wave and create body in the fringe zone, I'm using my flat brush to work the root area up and back. This is a super easy way to create a sleek little bob hairstyle. Let me know in the comments below if you like this look. You can blast air through to give it a more effortless undone look, or brush it out for a very subtle, cute, edgy wave. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to watch this one next.